Welcome to Introduction to Oracle 9i. In this session, you gain an understanding of Relational Database Management System, that is RDBMS, and Object Relational Database Management System, that is ORDMS. You are also introduced to the following: SQL statement that are specific to Oracle, ISQL star plus, which is used for executing SQL and for formatting and reporting purpose. We come to Oracle 9i features. Oracle offers a comprehensive high performance infrastructure for e-business. It is called Oracle 9i. Oracle 9i includes everything needed to develop, deploy, and manage Internet applications. The benefits include scalability from departments to enterprise e-business sites, robust, reliable, available, secure architecture, one development model, easy development options, leverage an organization's current skill set throughout the Oracle platform, including SQL, PLSQL, Java, and XML, one management interface for all applications, and industry standard technologies, no proprietary lock-in. Now, there are two products, Oracle 9i Application Server and Oracle 9i Database, that provide a complete and simple infrastructure for Internet applications. We move on with Oracle 9i Application Server. The Oracle 9i Application Server, that is Oracle 9i AS, runs all your applications. The Oracle 9i database stores all your data. Oracle 9i Application Server is the only application server to include services for all the different server applications. You will want to run Oracle 9i AS as you can run your portals or websites, Java transactional applications, business intelligence applications. It also provides integration between users, applications, data throughout your organization. We come to Oracle 9i Database. The role of the two products are very straightforward. Oracle 9i Database manages all your data. This is not just the object relational data that you expect an enterprise database to manage. It can also be unstructured data like spreadsheet, Word documents, PowerPoint presentations, XML, multimedia data types like MP3, graphics, videos, and more. The data does not even have to be in the database. Oracle 9i Database has services through which you can store metadata about information stored in the file systems. You can use the database server to manage and serve information wherever it is located. We come to Relational and Object Relational Database Management System. Oracle 9i Server supports both the relational and object relation models. The Oracle Server extends the data modeling capabilities to support an object relational database model that brings object-oriented programming, complex data types, complex business objects, and full compatibility with relational world. It includes several features for improved performance and functionalities of online transaction processing, that is OLTP applications, such as better sharing of runtime data structures, large buffer cache, and differable constraints. Data warehouse applications will benefit from enhancements such as parallel execution of insert, update, and delete operations, partitioning and parallel aware query optimization, operating within the network computing architecture framework. Oracle 9i supports client server and web-based applications that are distributed and multi-tiered. Oracle 9i can scale tens of thousands of concurrent users, support up to 512 petabytes of data, and can handle any type of data including text, spatial, image, sound, video, and time series, as well as traditional structured data. We come to Oracle Internet Platform. Oracle offers a comprehensive high-performance internet platform for e-commerce and data warehousing. This integrated platform includes everything needed to develop, deploy, and manage internet applications. The Oracle Internet Platform is built on three core pieces: browser based clients to process presentations, application servers to execute business logic and serve presentation logic to browser based clients, and databases to execute database intensive business logic and serve data. Oracle offers a wide variety of most advanced graphical user interface driven development tool to build business applications as well as a large suite of software applications for many areas of business and industry. Stored procedures, functions, and packages can be written by using SQL, PLSQL, or Java. System development life cycle. From concept to production, you can deploy a database by using System Development Life Cycle, which contains multiple stages of development. This top-down systematic approach to database development transforms business information requirements into an operational database. Strategy and analysis. Study and analyze the business requirement. Interview users and managers to identify the information required. Incorporate the enterprise and application mission statement as well as any future system specifications. Build models of the system. Transfer the business narrative into a graphical representation of business information, needs, and rules. Confirm and redefine the model with the analyst and experts. Design. Design the database based on the model developed in the strategy and analysis phase. Build and development or document. Build the prototype system, write and execute the commands to create the tables and supporting objects for the database. Develop user documentation, help text, and operations manual to support the use and operations of the system. Transition. Redefine the prototype, move an application into production with user acceptance testing, conversion of existing data, and parallel operations. Make any modifications required. And the last, production. Roll out the system to the users, operate the productive system, monitor its performance, and enhance and redefine the system. Note, the various phases of system development lifecycle can be carried out iteratively. This of course focuses on build phase of the system development lifecycle.